Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to remove function additional buttons. In the original package we can find 4 additional covers for functional buttons. On one example I will show you how to remove the buttons and install the covers. Firstly, prepare the screwdriver that is included in original package. Now we have to match the cover with correct size. For example, this one is for the left cover here. Now, using the screwdriver, lift the rubber cover twist it and here we've got the screw. Unscrew it now we can remove the button and now insert the cover. Here we have to again lift the rubber cover up and down, screw the cover in. While you will screw it, the cover will face with the controller grip. Then follow the process for rest of the buttons. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.